Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the second phone number app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Second is a virtual phone number app that allows users to get an additional number for calling and texting without needing a new SIM card or device. Designed for privacy and convenience, it helps users separate personal, work, and online communication. The app provides Wi-Fi calling, SMS, voicemail, and number customization options depending on availability. It's accessible on both iOS and Android, making it useful for business owners, online sellers, and anyone who wants a private secondary number. The app's main feature is its ability to generate a second number instantly, which you can use for calls, texts, and voicemail. It also offers contact management, call forwarding, and the ability to block unwanted callers. Since it runs over Wi-Fi or mobile data, it helps users stay connected even when regular network signals are low. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple setup process, clear call quality under good internet conditions, and the flexibility of keeping separate communication lines. It's especially useful for freelancers, small businesses, and people wanting a temporary or private number for online platforms. However, there are some drawbacks. Many key features, such as unlimited calling, premium numbers, or extended coverage, require a subscription. Call quality may drop in areas with slow internet, and some users report number availability issues in certain regions. Additionally, the free version has limited minutes and texts, which may not be sufficient for heavy use. In summary, the second app may be worth using if you want an easy, fast way to get a second phone number for privacy, business, or online communication. However, if you prefer fully free calling and texting or need consistently high-quality connections without relying on Wi-Fi, it might not be the best fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.